Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to do a French knot for your cross stitch. We will be using the French knot in this year's Stitchy ornaments, so stay tuned and I'll show you how easy they can be. So French knots are really easy and they're a fun way to make little bulbs on Christmas trees. You can use them for eyeballs, anywhere where you need a cute little round dot and you don't want to do a full cross stitch. So to do a French knot, it's very easy. Simply pull your thread to the front of your project. You're going to hang onto your thread and wrap it around the tip of your needle approximately 3 times. You can do more or less if you'd like it to be smaller or larger. And then you're going to put your needle back through your fabric just right next to where you came out. Don't go back into this exact same hole. And then I just hang on to the base of that thread while I'm pulling the rest of the thread through, and it creates a cute little French knot. I have to admit, the first time I did this, I made a mess out of it, and so you might want to practice a couple of times on a piece of scrap fabric before you do it onto your project. But I think once you get the hang of it, you'll find that they're very simple and easy to do, and they also provide a little bit of texture to your otherwise flat cross-stitch piece. And that's it, guys. The French knot, super easy. If you're interested in learning how to cross stitch, I do have a whole playlist here on YouTube for beginners. I show you everything you need to know, including all of my favorite supplies, how to make that very first stitch, and a couple other specialty stitches as well. That's going to be it for today's quick tip video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video.